For any business owners out there, this is something that you should do always. So, not even just when you're thinking about selling your business or preparing it for sale, but just something that you should do as the long term hygiene, as we say in the business management consultant world, for setting your business up for success. And that is really taking some love and care with your business financials. That means even if you have someone, a family member doing your books for you and they are self taught, that's awesome. But I'd suggest going and getting a consult with a bookkeeping company and making sure that your books are set up in a way that make sense, that are best compliant and work for your industry. Because if you're set up on the front end, then you'll be using those year over year and your books will always be set up the same way. The other piece that I see all the time, all of us as small business owners, we run things through our business that are, pieces that apply to our business that are discretionary to us that maybe another business owner may not consider a business expense. Please, please, please keep it to one credit card. Keep it somewhere that's easy to track. For example, if you have a gas card, keep it that one type of gas card, or keep all of your family expenses to one credit card. It just makes it so much easier to go back and look at what are discretionary expenses that you're sending through the business. And that's not even just to sell, that's just really helpful at the end of the year when you're going back and looking, hey, I had a pretty good year this year. Well, you should look at all those discretionary expenses and see what you spent. You might be surprised at some of the expense creep there. And, that can lead to you've had a much more profitable year, or that might make you mindful in the year coming that maybe you're going to cut back on some of those discretionary expenses a bit. That is probably the number one thing I could recommend a business owner doing just in general is just if you hate finances, if you hate financials, hire someone to do it for you. Just get it set up. I promise you, in the long run, you'll be so much happier that you have all of that done and that you know enough that your bookkeeper and CPA can give you an overview of what's going on with your financials and that you can track year over year how things are looking.